Hi everyone, this is Tushar and you are watching Learn Everyday YouTube channel, and in this video we'll be studying about strings. So what are strings? Strings are any character sequence that is enclosed in single quotations or double quotations. For example, if I write down like this, so this is considered as a string, and if I write down in single quotations as well, so this is also considered as a string. But you need to note that it is case sensitive. If I change the case of any character, so that will not be the same string. Okay, now the main concept that a string follows is the concept of indexing. What is indexing? Indexing means we can refer to each and every character in a string with the help of respective index. You can get a clear view by watching this diagram. There are two kinds of indexing, that is the positive indexing and negative indexing. Don't know whether they are technical terms, but I am using these terms to explain you. In positive indexing, the indexing starts from 0 and it moves to length minus 1, that is 0 to 11. And similarly in negative indexing, it starts from negative of length up till minus 1. And how indexing works? Indexing always starts from the initial value and then increments by 1. As you can see, the value is incremented from 0, 1, 2, and similarly from minus 12 increment by 1, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, and so on. Okay, now for example, I want to refer to h character. I can do this by both the indexes, let it be 1 or minus 11. So we can test this also in ideally. Let's say I store this in a variable s, and now if I refer to h character, I can write s of 1 and also s of 11. So this will return me the same, s of minus 11. It will return me the same character, that is h as an output. Okay, so similarly I can do like s of 0, and if I write down s of 13, so this will raise me an error because it is out of range. Okay, so this is the concept of indexing. Next we have the slice operator with string. Slice operator is quite crucial operator, and what it actually does is it slices the string according to the parameters that we specify in the values. There are three parameters, that are starting index, ending index, and the jump, out of which starting index and ending index are important and jump is an optional parameter. So starting index means from where we need to start the string, the substring that we want to extract, and ending index means till where we want to go. For example, if I write down s of 0 up till 11, so this will give me not the entire string, it actually skips the one character because the ending index should be one increment the required string. For example, I want the entire string, so I need to specify 0 to 12 because it will not consider the last index. So this is cool will be printed. Okay, that entire string is returned back. Similarly, we can do a negative indexing also, that is minus 12 up till minus 4, let's say. So this is up till minus 5 index. Minus 4 is excluded because last is not considered. Okay, now we can also specify the jump parameter. What the jump parameter means, it actually specifies how much characters we need to skip after printing the first value. That is, it prints on the t character, then it skips the number of characters specified in the jump index minus 1. The default value of jump is 1, so it skips 0 character. If I specify 2, it will skip 1 character. For example, I write down 0 to 12 and default value is 1. It means it skips 0 characters, so entire string is displayed. Similarly, if I do so like this, to 12 and index is 2, so it will skip 1 character in between, that is h is skipped, then I is printed, s is skipped, then space is skipped, skip is printed, I is skipped, and s is printed, and so on. And if I do so like this and 3, so it will skip 2 characters in between. So h and I will be skipped, then s is printed, then I and space will skipped, s is printed, c and space is skipped, and o is printed, and o and r are skipped. So this way it works on. And we can also do this in negative indexing like this, starting from minus 12 up till minus 7, let's say, and skip is 2, so this will give me an output like this. Okay, and it is also not compulsory to specify the all the values. If we do not specify the values, it will take automatically the default values. For example, if I write like this, the default values would be taken in positive index. The default values are 0, and here is length plus 1, sorry, here is length, that is 12, and the jump value is 1. So entire string will be displayed. If I do so like this, so this and this actually means the same. The default values are automatically taken if we do not specify. And if I do so like this, so again the default value is taken, that is 12. Okay, and if we mention any index in negative like this, so herein the default value in the negative indexing will be taken. So this is the main working of the slice operator. I hope you have a clear idea of it. If you have any doubts, you can mention down in the comment, and in next video we'll be studying about the functions in string. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.